Hello, you YouTube Expressers out there. This is Fast Food Express here. Today, I got Checkers. I got something called chicken bites with fries. And I got chili cheese fries from Checkers. I'm gonna try out the chicken bites for you guys first. Putting some ketchup. This is what the chicken bites look like. They're juicy and tender. Right there. Chicken bites going in. Really, really good, really good. They cost $3.57 with the cheese fries. There's the cheese fry right there. The cheese fries are awesome. They have bacon and American cheese on it. There is a chicken bite. I got a new shirt. There's a taco on it. Really awesome. The American cheese on the cheese fry. Right there. Sorry, the phone fell. The Diet Coke is a buy at 8 out of 10. So guys, go get the chicken bites today. There's a chicken bite with the fries. Right there. Really, really good. So like, subscribe, favorite, share. Get this channel to 400 subscribers. Get this channel to 1,000,000 subscribers for more food reviews, movie reviews, unboxing reviews, and whatnot. So guys, the chili cheese fries from Checkers is a buy. And the chicken bites from Checkers is a buy. Go out and get it now. See you guys later. Peace out.